if you're a CEO, founder of the company, you have to provide challenges, like create some challenges. I was thinking about like, man, you know what? We had 5 straight quarters of scaling the companies, all of them. I'm talking 3 companies all going up. 5 quarters in a row. Mortgage Guys, Driven, Ambiance, Realty, and I'm thinking like, man, you know what? I'm starting to get a little bit like worried, like what's gonna happen because November is here, December, January, all these lazy months. Everybody wants to be lazy. It's an opportunity for you to take over your competition, to crush them, demolish them, step on them, get rid of them, take over your industry. And most people are just, let me take a vacation. These are the slow months. You know what? This is when I'm going to bulk up. I'm going to bulk. An excuse to turn into a pig and be fat. An excuse to get lazy, not produce, only to find yourself in January getting started again. And guess what? Whoever was behind you surpassed you. They outworked you. They weren't a lazy ass, and now they're doing better. So these months, you have to crush it. So what do I do as a CEO? If you're a CEO, manager, founder, and you're looking for ways to motivate your people during these tough times, everybody is just psychologically checked out. You got to create challenges. What have I done that works so well for us, and I want you to do it, is create a couple challenges. An example is the fitness challenge. Why do you think I create a fitness challenge? I'm going to have to give away a camera that's $5,000, Sony R4. I'm going to have to give away a Chanel little logo thing that goes on your shirt. I don't even know how you call it. I'm going to give away one of these money clips. Why? Okay, first of all, this money clip is going to increase performance to whoever wins it because it's going to be motivating. It's going to be inspiring to have bills and you look at it every day. Chanel is going to increase the performance of the woman. All kinds of performances. Now, what's the other thing? The camera. The R4 camera, Sony, $5,000 camera, it's going to increase the marketing capability, the performance, because people are going to shoot content and they're going to post it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. So I'm giving away treats that are going to increase performance. And also, I'm rewarding people to get fit. What happens when you're fit? You feel better, you look better, you perform better. Everything is better, including sex. So you got to take care of your people and you got to pump them up. They're not going to pump themselves up. You got to sometimes give them a tap on the shoulder and then tell them, hey, you look good, you look great. Hey, so everybody's excited. Fitness challenge. And fitness challenge, coincidentally, like I'm doing this fitness challenge. Why do you think I picked December, January, and February? Because these are the 3 months that are going to dictate if we grow another quarter, 6th quarter and 7th quarter. After March, everything picks up. So I looked at that, and I'm going to do that, and that's going to increase performance. Now, the other one is the mastermind retreat with the bosses. So what I told everybody is, you know what? We're going to create this mastermind. It's going to take, we're going to reward 3 people from Mortgage Guys. You could take a +1, 2 people from Ambiance, +1, and 1 person from Driven. And I give them these complicated targets. Mortgage Guys, top person, number 1 person in the most units, number 1 person that contributes more revenue to the company, and the 3rd person, whoever improves the most in the last 6 months, wins this. So this separates and gives everybody a fair shot of winning, because the most improved is usually going to be somebody that's up and coming. Because the people that are making millions of dollars, it's hard for them to double their income. But somebody that's improving, it's easier for them to have a better plus minus to improve their last 6 months. Okay, somebody that's doing 1-2 deals a month could easily go to 6 deals a month. But somebody that's doing 20 deals a month, it's hard for them to go to 40 deals a month. So they're so frustrated. They're competing against themselves, and they're like, oh, it drives them nuts, bananas. They're like, they want to kill themselves. So this makes it more competitive. Same thing for Ambiance, same thing for Ambiance. Now, for Driven, I got this powerful salesperson. So how do I make it challenging for her? Because she doesn't have any other challenges. I'm going to make her compete against her last 3 months. And guess what? Last 3 months, we had our biggest event, Driven. So now she has to compete against the last 3 months. Next 3 months, we don't have the big event driven. But, you know, I'm fair. I always find ways of being fair. So I created this driven business bootcamp to give her opportunities to make more sales and beat her private 3 months. So this is how you do it. This keeps everybody motivated, pumped up. And whoever, these people, me and Sil are going to take them to the Virgin Islands retreat, mastermind retreat, 5 full days, paid, all paid by us. Best hotel, the Ritz in the Virgin Islands. They're going to fly well. They're going to dinner on us, lunch on us, everything on us. We're going to take care of them like if they're like kings and queens of the universe. That's how you take care of your company, and that's how you keep it growing even in moments of recessions or holidays or lazy moments. That's how you do it.